Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Let me explain how to use my archive channel properly. So simply you have to say teacher Meysam's archive, right? So you type in, then my picture appears. So you simply go here. This is basically my archive, right? So what should you do? You can simply tap on the playlists. All of the material are available here. Okay, normally I designed Kahoot and Quizlet for almost every single video. So what should you do? Based on your level, you would definitely find your how can I say your favorite or appropriate video or category. For example, let's say A1 level. So fundamental, right? So as you can see, fundamental unit 1. You tap on the video, okay? Tap on the video, okay? Pause the video for a second. Now, here we have two small triangles. Okay, for example, this one, and also this one, right? We have two small triangles. Okay, first, if you tap on the first triangle on the top, okay, you can see you can have access to all of the units from unit 1, you see, until the final unit, which is unit, okay, this is it. You don't need to actually find the video. All of the videos are available there. The second arrow, right, is really important. When you tap on the second arrow, could you see that? The second arrow, you go down. I put some links here, for example, book and also video. So the book is the material that I teach in the class normally, that you are using the QR codes actually. But the book has two separate platforms, as I mentioned, Quizlet and Kahoot. So first one is Quizlet, right? It says book Quizlet. But down we have video Quizlet. So what is this? The video Quizlet is like this video that you are going to see. Yeah, because in this video there are some new vocabulary. So I created Quizlet for this. But normally we will use books Quizlet, right? So you tap on the Quizlet, okay? Boom. It automatically goes to the Quizlet platform. If you have Quizlet app on your telephone, you can use it. If you don't have it, no problem. You can use it from the website. Understand? From the web, actually. Yeah. For example, you know this stuff, flashcard, learn, write, spell, test, match. You can access to these vocabulary, all of them, like in Turkish and English. Understand? So basically, you're going to use the Quizlet. And also, the Quizlet of the actually video is also available here. If you don't want to use the Quizlet, you can just scroll down and see the other vocabulary. Understand? This is it. You go to next part. For example, again, you go to reading passages, right? Reading passage number 3 is for B1 level, for example. This is B1 level. Again, tap on the first unit. See, new password 3, unit 1, crazy about chocolate, right? Again, we have two arrows here, right? So the first one, actually, the second one is normally, again, the same stuff. I put the words also in the under the video actually. Or if you want to practice, you can simply tap on the Quizlet. You tap on the Quizlet, it travels, it directs you to the Quizlet platform. Take care of yourself.